Out here looking like a joint.
You really are, though. He look like a joint for real.
Nah, I'm here.
I ain't never had no.
He's probably in shorts.
I feel like you scared to talk to
Listen,
him.
he's probably in shorts and flip-flops and high socks. I promise you. How much you want to bet that he's in shorts and...
Relax yourself. Give me that good smile. Where's that good smile?
I'm second to no one.
It'll be so
Go work for your mom, man.
Hey, go fuck your mama.
I went to work on my mom. Yo, did you know...
Go work for your mom, man.
I'm like...
And Remy Caboose, that's the last.
Try to hit me with the camera. Don't
Yeah, you see your man, huh?
Lights, camera,
I think
action.
what we're going to do is,
Anybody seen Jan?
we want to know there's 15
Right.
seconds. There's 15 seconds.
Yo, Rim. What you in, baby?
I have no idea.
They got you in.
I just want to make sure that they let the people know who's carrying this. I don't weigh 70 pounds. I officially took over French Snap. Wanna holler at me, get at me. 646, that bitch. 24 hours.
See, huh?
Yes.
You been working out? Why you laughing, Kevin? What we doing here?
Shooting a video for my girl, featuring my name.
No, turn up.
Nobody's walking in front of these windows.
Favorite glasses right here.
You guys can keep working way towards
Set live from the set.
TV screens.
Getting oil down. Yo, what up?